Okay, welcome back, everyone. Um, this particular tutorial, we're still on our curriculum. This particular tutorial is going to teach you how to create your first quiz. Okay, how to create your first quiz. Remember, I talked about this the other time that every section is divided into lessons, quiz, assignment, and the search button here. So these are the options for every section. Okay, I have created section 1 over course overview, section 2, section 3, and section 4. Okay, so I want to add a quiz to my section 3. Okay, so the first task is you need to click on the quiz button. Okay, so ensure the quiz button is selected and then give your quiz a name. Okay, I will just call these let's say curriculum quiz. Okay, let me just call it that. You can call your quiz any name that suits you. Okay, so I press this button here to add that particular quiz, okay, to the list of quiz. So there you go, it has been added. All right, now the next thing is I need to add content, add the questions and the answers and everything in between into the quiz. Okay, so in order to do that, I need to click on the edit button by the right hand side of the quiz. Okay, so let's click on that. All right, so when you do that, it opens up this box here. All right, that's similar to the box for lessons. Okay, but this time around it's divided into three sections. There is a content section, there is a quiz question section, and there's a quiz setting section. Okay, it's important that you go through you should go through the previous lesson on how to create quiz so that you understand in details everything about the quiz section, the quiz setting I mean, and then about the quiz question as well. I've explained that in text. Okay, you may want to read that up as well. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we need to add a description here. This quiz will assess your understanding on the curriculum, okay, and course building. Let's just put it that way. Right, you can add whatever you want to write. One paragraph is okay, two paragraphs not bad. Okay, all right, so having done that, we move on to the quiz questions tab. So let's click on that tab. Okay, so this is a section where you add up the questions. Okay, depending on the number of questions you have, you're just going to add every one of them here. All right, now if you look at this, you will see under the quiz question, if you point your over there, you see different types of question. We have the single choice question, we have the multi choice question, we have the true and false question, we have the match question, we have the keyword question, we have the fill the gap question. Okay, so it all depends on what kind of question you want to ask. All right, do you understand me? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my first question, which is going to be a single choice question. So uh, make sure you select the type of question, then enter the question title, I mean the question itself, inside this section that says enter question title. So I'll just enter my question here and then I'll click add question. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's wait and see why that is accepted. Okay, good. All right, so the question has been added. What is curriculum? All right, you notice there are no answers yet, so I will need to impute my answers into the question. So enter new answer here, you click on that and then you'll be able to enter the answer to the question. Say that's option 1, then I click on this. All right, enter the next option, I click on that. Okay, do you understand me? So you need to enter all the options to the question. Enter the next option, I click on that. All right, and then let me add one more option to make it four options. I click on that. All right, so what is the curriculum? I said is a part of a course. Two lessons in the course. Three, the lessons and academic content to be taught. And then number four, option four, a video or text in the course. Now you need to tell the system that which of these option is the correct option. All right, you need to tell the system which one is correct. Okay, so uh option C is the correct answer. So by the right hand side, you see where the root correct, and there's a button there. So I just click on that button to select that that is the correct option. So when the students are attempting the course and they select option A, it will tell them they are wrong at the end of the day. Do you understand me? Okay, so I haven't done that. We'll go to the next question. We'll create our next question. So stay on the same way you added the first question, you add your second. Okay, so select the question category, which is still a single question. Okay, then enter the question here. Okay, the minimum number of section for each, for the minimum. Okay, I think my question is not really correct. Okay, the minimum number of section for each course is okay. All right, let me add my question. All right, same way I did the first one, then after that is added. Okay, this is the first question, this is the second question. Okay, so I need to add my answers now. Say option one is one, number two, that's three, option three, let's say this is five, and let's say this is 20. Okay, let's just play that way. Okay, so I haven't done that. I need to select the correct option. So the correct option here is option B. So I just click on that. So it's as simple as that. We go on and on and on until we are done with all the questions. Okay, so I have been able to add six questions, okay, to the quiz. All right, I have different types of question here. I have true or false question here. Okay, I have a single choice question. Okay, I have keyword question. Okay, so you can add different types of questions to your quiz. All right, so let's move to the last tab, which is the quiz setting. All right, so the quiz setting, you also need to read the previous lesson to be able to understand all of this. So we can add a description. Okay, and then we'll select the duration. How long do you think this quiz is going to take? It shouldn't take 5 minutes. Okay, so depending on what time. Okay, do you want to show the correct answer to student when they are done? Yes, I actually want to. Okay, what percentage passing mark do you want? I want them to have 90% pass mark. Okay, if you get less than that, all right, you're not going anywhere. Okay, point total cut after you retake. Okay, let's say we want say 50. Okay, so when you're done, you certify that everything is fine. All right, you've created uh in all three sections, so you click on the save button. All right, so when you click on the save button, the quiz is updated and then you're ready to go. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. All right, bye.